students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Students, I promise you to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So, as for my promise, after completing my syllabus, I continue with higher Olympiad syllabus IIT level from IIT Foundations. In my last sessions, we have discussed about relation and functions. Today we continue with this. Students, please follow my last video about relation and functions and watch this video. Follow my class. What is relation and functions? The function is from A to B. Then here we discussed about one function. What is one function? In my last sessions we have discussed about what is image, what is range of a functions, what is domain and codomain, diagrammatic representations of functions, and what is difference between relation and functions. Please follow this video and come to this. One function. What is one functions? One functions means injections. One functions is also called injections. This functions is a functions f is called one functions when f is a functions from A to B. If different elements of A have different images of set B. If different elements of A has different elements of B. Different elements F functions F is called a one functions when different elements of set A have different images. Have different images in B. Have different images in set B. Look at here. I underline the important thing. Please note down. Functions f is called one function when different element of set A have different images of set B. Then now keep it here and discussed an example. Discussed examples. Here the example says that when we discussed with the examples, then can we understand the theory better. Here the functions f is called functions from A to B. This function is one functions, as we said that the functions is called one or injection functions when different elements of set A have different images in set B. Here this is the set A and this is set B. F is a functions from A to B. Then A, B, C, D are the elements in set A. E, F, G, H are the elements in set B. Here the functions A, F from A to B in such a way that A with F, B has a image G and C is related with H and D is related with E. Here clearly F is a one functions. Here look at here, F is one functions since the distinct elements in A has distinct images in set B. Here A has F, B has G and C has H and D has E. Each different elements of set A has distinct images of set B. Here look at another examples then which is not a one functions. Look at here. Here another examples. Take another example for better understanding. Here let G is a functions from X to Y set. Here this is set X and this is set Y. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of set X, and here X, D, E, F, X, D, E, F are the elements in are the images of set B, are the elements in set B. Here G is a functions from X to Y. G is a functions from X to Y in such a way that one is related, one has the image in set Y is X, 2 is related with D, and 3 is also related with D, and 4 is with E. Then here this is not a 1-1 functions, this is not a 1-1 functions, because 2 and 3 in set A have same image under B. Here 2 and 3 have same image D. Then this is not 1-1 functions, because 1-1 function says that different elements of set A have different images in set B. But here 2 and 3 are different elements of set X but have same image in set Y. Both 2 and 3 both have same image D in set Y. Hence this is not 1-1 functions. This is not 1-1 function or injection functions. Then let us discuss. Okay. Now you better understand. Now let us discuss another example for 1-1 functions. Here another example for 1-1 function says that f is a functions from R to R. F is a functions from R to R in such a way that fx is equal to x cube plus 2 for all x belongs to R. Then x, y be two arbitrary elements of R domain F. R of domain F. Here R and here R. F is a functions from R to R. Then let x and y are two arbitrary elements of the elements of R. Then here fx is equal to fy, which is equal to x cube plus 2, which is equal to y cube plus 2. This means x cube plus 2 is equal to y cube plus 2. 2 cancel. X cube is equal to y cube, which implies that x is equal to y. Hence f is a 1-1 functions for from R to R. Here means for every different the 1-1 functions is a functions in which different elements here, different elements of set R, different element of set R have different images of set R. Here if the same, then x and y are also same, means x and y are not different elements of set R, they are the same element of set R. This means this is an example of 1-1 functions. Okay. Now let us discuss what is onto functions. Let us discuss what is onto functions. Onto function. Onto function is also called surjection functions. Onto functions is also called surjection functions. Okay. Now let us discuss. A function f from A to B is called onto functions if every element of B is the f image of same element of some element of A, which implies this means f of A is equal to B. Means each element of B have a f image in set A. This means f of A is equal to B. which implies that a range of f is the codomain of f. Let us discuss an examples for better understanding. Here let f be a functions. Here let f be a functions. Students, if you have any doubt, please follow my previous video. Then you get better idea about relation and functions. Then come to this video. At first follow my first video. Here let f is a functions from a to b and g is a functions from x to y be two functions represented by the following diagram. Then this is the diagrammatically representations of this. Keep it here and let us discuss. Here suppose a, b, here a, b, f is a functions from a to b and here x, here y. Then here g is a function from x to y. Then here the images are a, b, c, d are the elements of set A. E, F, G, H are the elements of set B. Here K, L, M, N. K, L, M, N. Then here O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R. Then here the A is related with F. Then B is related with G. B is G. And C is also related to F. Then C has a image F, A has also image F. Then D is related to H. Here look at here. Here E is left which doesn't have any image in A, set A. E is an element B which doesn't have a pre-image in F. Here in the functions, look at here. Here E do not has any pre-image in A. E doesn't have any pre-image. E is left here. This means this is not a onto functions. Look at here. Here K is related to O, L is related to Q, M is related to P, N is R. This is a onto functions because each element has a pre-image in X. Each element in set Y has a pre-image in X. This is an example of onto functions where this is not an example of onto functions. Now you get a clear idea about onto functions. Okay. Onto functions is also called surjections. You know what is one functions. Then you know what is onto functions. Then let us discuss another example. Here another example says that let f is a functions from R to R, from rational number to rational number, fx is equal to x cube plus 2 for all x belongs to R. Then y be an arbitrary elements of R codomain. Let y be an arbitrary element of R. Then fx is equal to y. This means x cube plus 2 is equal to y, which implies that x is equal to y minus 2 whole to the power 1 upon 3, which clearly says that for each y belongs to R, y minus 2 whole to the power 1 upon 3 is also a real number, is also belongs to R, is also for each real number y, this is also a real number. This means f is an onto functions. This means f is an onto functions from R to R. From real number to real number, f is a fx is equal to x cube plus 2 is a onto functions. Okay. Now let us discuss bijections, means 1 1 and onto. This bijections functions is called, this is both 1 1 and onto functions. Let us discuss. This is 1 1 and onto bijection functions. Bijection function. Bijection function is a function which is both 1 1 and onto functions. 1 1 and onto function. Okay. Now let us discuss. Here f is a function which is both bijection and injections is called, which is bijection functions which is both injections and surjections, means both 1 1 and onto. A function f from a to b is called a bijection functions, is called a bijection function when it is both bijection function when f is a f is 1 1 and onto, as well as onto functions, as well as onto functions, means it satisfies both the conditions of 1 1 and onto functions. Let us discuss. Suppose a is a set and b is another set, then a, b, c, d are the elements of set A, E, F, G, H are the elements of set B. Then here f is a functions from a to b in such a way that a is related to f and b is related to g and c is related to h and d is related to E. Then here look at here, this functions is satisfies both the conditions of 1 1 and onto. This is called as bijection functions. Here for each elements of this is called bijections because this satisfies both injective as well as surjective conditions. Here each elements of B have a pre-image in set A and each element of A is related with distinct different elements in set B. This means here f is a function which satisfies both the conditions of 1 1 and onto. This is called bijection functions. Now let us discuss what is many one functions. Now let us discuss what is many one function. What do you mean by many one functions? Many one function. This means many elements of set A related to single element in set B. Here a function f is called many one functions. F is from A to B, said to be a many one functions, many one function if two or three elements of set A have same image in set B. If two or more elements of set B, many one elements of set A have the same image in set B, the same image in set B. let us discuss an example and diagrammatic representations of these many one functions which will be better for your understandings. Let f is a functions from a to b represented by the following diagram. Here a is a set and b is another set. Then here x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 are the elements of set A, and here y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 are also the elements of set B. Here f is a functions. Here f is a functions from A to B in such a way that x is related to y3, x is related to y3, and x5 is also related to y3, and x2 is related to y1, where x4 is also related to y1, x3 is related to y5. This is called many one because here x2 and x4 in A have the same image in set B. Here x1 and x5 here x1 and x5 have the same images y3 in set B, and x2 and x4 have the same images in set B. This is called many one. Many elements of set A has the same pre-image in set B. Okay. Then let us take another example. Keep it here. Keep it here. Now let us discuss another example. Here another example says that let A is a set with elements. Let A is a set with elements -1, 1, -2, 2, and B is a set with elements 1, 4, 9, 16. Then let f is a functions from A to B in such a way that fx is equal to x square. Then f of -1 is equal to 1 and f of 1 is also 1. Because fx is equal to x square, this means fx is -1 square, which is 1. F of 1 is 1 square, which is also equal to 1. Then f of -2 is equal to -2 square, which is equal to 4. F of 2 is 2 square is also equal to 4. This is many one functions. This is many one because 1 and -1 have the same image in set B. And similarly 2 and -2 have also the same image in set B. Look at here the diagrammatic representations. Suppose this is set A and this is set B. F is a functions from A to B. Fx is equal to x square. Then here -1, 1, -2, 2, and here 1, 4, 9, 16. Then 1 is related with 1 -1 and 4 is related with 2 -2. This is called many one. This is called many one functions. Okay. Then let us discuss another. Then let us discuss into functions. What do you mean by into functions? Into function. Here the functions f is called, here f is a functions from A to B is an into function, into functions which is not onto, this is into functions. Okay. into functions. If there exists an element in set B having no pre-image in set A, just recall, in onto case, each elements of set B having a pre-image in set A. But here there must exist an element in set B having no pre-image in B. Look at f is a function is into functions if there exists, students please note down, there exists an element in B having no pre-image in A. Okay, then in other words, f is a functions from A to B is into which is not an onto functions. Okay, then look at the diagrammatic representations of, take an example and take the diagrammatic representations of into functions. F is a functions from A to B. Suppose this is A and this is set B, and f is a functions from A to B. Here A1, A2, A3, A4 are the elements of set A, and B1, B2, B1, B2, B3, B4 are the elements of set B. And here A1 is related to B3, A2 is related to B2, and A3 is also related to B2, and A4 is related to B4. Here look at here B1 is left. B1 do not have any pre-image in set A. Here B1 do not have any pre-image in set A. Hence this is called an into function. Because there must exist an element in set B having no pre-image. Here B1 is an element in set B which do not have any pre-image in set A. Okay, this means this is called into functions. Just recall what is onto functions. Onto functions means each and every elements of set B must have a pre-image in set A. Here this is called into functions, means at least here left n elements which do not have any pre-image in set B. Okay. Now students, today this much. Thank you students. In my next sessions we will continue with this. Thank you.